Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by connecting to your Tenda router via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable so settings stay stable. Once connected, open a browser and go to 192, 168, 0, 1 or Tenda Wifi. This brings up the admin page. You'll be prompted for an admin password. Enter it now. If you don't know it, make sure to reset the router first. This restores defaults and gives you the default login printed on the device. This step prepares access, so you can change SSID and password securely. Now you navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings to change the SSID and passphrase. You should type a unique SSID so you can identify the network. Do it without special characters that some devices reject. Next, choose WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for security, WPA3 if supported. Enter a new password, at least 12 characters long with letters, numbers, and symbols, because stronger keys resist brute force. Once done, save or apply changes. The router will update and restart wireless services. After saving, allow the router a minute to apply settings and reboot. Do not unplug during this. You then reconnect each device using the new SSID and password. Remember, some devices cache old credentials, so you may need to forget the network first. If you cannot access the admin page or the router won't accept the password, power cycle the router and try again. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reconfigure. This clears custom settings, but resolves misconfigurations in most cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.